Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In this tutorial, we will delve deeper into Salesforce integration, focusing on the various methodologies and code examples. This is part 2 of the tutorial series, and we will build upon the foundational concepts discussed in part 1. Overview of Salesforce integration. Salesforce provides several ways to integrate with other systems, both for data exchange and process automation. The most common integration methods include 1. APIs, REST and SOAP. 2. Outbound messaging. 3. Salesforce Connect. 4. Platform events. 5. Middleware solutions. In this part, we'll focus on using Salesforce APIs, particularly the REST API, to perform CRUD, create, read, update, delete, operations. Setting up Salesforce REST API integration. Step 1, creating a connected app. 1. Log into your Salesforce account. 2. Navigate to setup. 3. In the quick find box, type App Manager. 4. Click on New Connected App. 5. Fill in the required fields. Connected App Name, My App. API Name, My App. Contact Email, your-email at example.com. Under API, enable OAuth settings, check the box. Set callback URL to http://localhost 8080/OAuth/callback, or your local server. Select Full Access, Full, under selected OAuth scopes. 6. Save the connected app and make a note of the consumer key and consumer secret. Step 2, obtain OAuth tokens. To interact with the Salesforce REST API, you need to obtain an OAuth access token. You can do this using Postman or a programming language like Python. Here's how to do it using Python. Python. Import requests. Salesforce credentials. Client_ID equals your_consumer_key. Client_secret equals your_consumer_secret. Username equals your_Salesforce_username. Password equals your_Salesforce_password plus your_security_token. Token_URL equals https://login.salesforce.com/services/OAuth2/token. Request for access token. Payload equals grant_type, password. Client_ID, client_ID. Client_secret, client_secret. Username, username. Password, password. Response equals requests.post, token_URL, data equals payload. If response.status_code equals 200. Access_token equals response.json, access_token. Instance_URL equals response.json, instance_URL. Print, f access token, access_token. Else. Print, error obtaining access token, response.json. Step 3, performing CRUD operations. Now that you have your access token, you can perform CRUD operations on Salesforce objects. Below are examples of how to create, read, update, and delete records. A. Create a record. To create a new record in Salesforce, you can use the following code. Python. Create a new account. Account_data equals name, new account. Industry, Technology. Create underscore URL equals F instance underscore URL slash services slash data slash v52.0 slash subjects slash account slash headers equals authorization, F bearer access underscore token. Content type, application slash JSON. Create underscore response equals requests dot post, create underscore URL, JSON equals account underscore data, headers equals headers. If create underscore response dot status underscore code equals 201. Print, account created successfully, create underscore response dot JSON. Else. Print, error creating account, create underscore response dot JSON. Hashtag B read a record. To read an existing record, use the following code. Python. Hashtag read an account record by ID. Account underscore ID equals your underscore account underscore ID. Read underscore URL equals F instance underscore URL slash services slash data slash v52.0 slash subjects slash account underscore ID. Read underscore response equals requests dot get, read underscore URL, headers equals headers. If read underscore response dot status underscore code equals 200. Print, account details, read underscore response dot JSON. Else. Print, error reading account, read underscore response dot JSON. Hashtag C update a record. To update an existing record, use the following code. Python. Hashtag update an existing account. Update underscore data equals industry, software. Update underscore URL equals F instance underscore URL slash services slash data slash v52.0 slash subjects slash account underscore ID. Update underscore response equals requests dot patch, update underscore URL, JSON equals update underscore data, headers equals headers. If update underscore response dot status underscore code equals 204. Print, account updated successfully. Else. Print, error updating account, update underscore response dot JSON. Hashtag D delete a record. To delete a record, use the following code. Python. Hashtag delete an account record. Delete underscore URL equals F instance underscore URL slash services slash data slash v52.0 slash subjects slash account underscore ID. Delete underscore response equals requests dot delete, delete underscore URL, headers equals headers. If delete underscore response dot status underscore code equals 204. Print, account deleted successfully. Else. Print, error deleting account, delete underscore response dot JSON. Hashtag conclusion. In this part of the tutorial, we covered how to set up Salesforce REST API integration and perform basic CRUD operations using Python. This allows you to interact programmatically with Salesforce data, enabling you to create more complex integrations with other systems. In the next part, Part 3, we will discuss advanced integration techniques, including error handling, bulk data processing, and using middleware solutions for Salesforce integration. Stay tuned.